Hey everyone, real quick, I just want to show you guys an amazing resource that I use regularly. It's actually where I find a lot of my graphics and my projects. It has tons of graphics, fonts, 3D projects, classes to learn. There's bundles, and there's also a free trial version and then a subscription version as well. I just want to show it to you really quick so that you guys can also get the amazing benefits that comes along with this resource. If you haven't heard of it already, it's called Creative Fabrica. It's right there. Now, this is a website that has a subscription and you're going to get the most benefit from the subscription. However, you can go through and also just purchase individual products, just like all of these. You can see they all have price tags. They're very upfront about what the cost for the product is. And there's literally thousands of products, again, fonts, graphics, classes, so many different ideas for all your creative projects. You can see here there's one that has a bundle. They have sales frequently, usually once a month. This one is for Easter. It's an Easter sale. You'll notice right here they have check marks. The yellow check mark, it'll tell you what it's for. It's for the 90% off sale that they're having for Easter sale, which is from April 1st through April 9th. After that, the Easter sale will end. So definitely be on the look for the promotional deals that they frequently do. Now you'll see also the green check mark, and the green check mark is for subscription. So if you have that subscription, which I will go over here just shortly, you can download about, I want to say 99% of any of the files that are on Creative Fabrica and without an additional charge. When you do go to download any file, it comes with a free commercial license. So you can't resell the design. It's not your design to resell. However, any product that you make with the design, you can sell with a commercial license. Now, the subscription that I keep mentioning, it's a monthly subscription. Up here in the upper left corner, right here, it gives you all of the details. So for yearly all access, it's $4.99 per month. However, it gets billed at $59 per year, which is a normal price of $348. It says it right there for you. So, I mean, that's an amazing deal to literally get thousands of graphics, designs, fonts, anything that you need for your projects for $59 a year. And then to turn around and use them on the projects to sell, amazing. And right below all of that, right here says personal, commercial, and POD use of all files are included. So it says it right there in the header for you. Now, I want to go ahead and log into my subscription account to show you exactly what the subscription does for you. We're now logged into my subscription, and look at all of the price tags, they're gone. Because it's already included, all of these are already included. You can just go ahead and click on one of them. It brings up the image. It gives you all of the details right down in here. You go up to the green download button, simply click it, and there's literally no additional fee, and it's that simple. Now I want to go back over to the main page, and I'm going to go ahead and there's subsections you can go ahead and click on. Again, look, text, fonts, 125,000 plus. There's 6 million plus graphics. Those are all included. There's a fonts SF Spark. That's pretty fun also. There's a download resource for free. And then right here, there's a search bar. You can literally type for anything. I'll go ahead and just type in 3D crafts, push enter, and it comes up with, again, just so many different creative projects to do. Again, they're all included in the subscription. There's no additional cost to get anything. We'll scroll on back up to the top here. We'll go back to the front homepage. Let's check out a font. A very popular font is I Love Glitter, and it's on Creative Fabrica. This one, I believe, is only per subscription. So to be able to get this really popular font, you'll have to sign up for the subscription. But then again, It's included in the subscription, and it comes with that commercial license. Now, if it's something you want to go ahead and test drive, see how you like it before you do a subscription, you can also do a free trial. It'll allow you to download 10 free designs, fonts, whatever you want to download in that free trial. After you download the 10 products, your trial will end, and then you can decide if you want to do single use images, products, and purchase as you go, or you go ahead and just sign up for the subscription bundle package and then just be unlimited to create whatever you want to make. Now I'm going to go ahead and just log out so that I can show you the upgrade. We'll do that part now. So if you do go and do the subscription, it's really that simple. You just push that upgrade now button. As you can see, the regular total would be $348. They do an all access pass, minusing $288.84, which brings your grand total to $59.16 for an entire year to use all of the graphics on Creative Fabrica, including the biggest thing, the commercial license. So let's go on back over to the home page. And we'll just kind of keep browsing here. As you can see, the fonts, everything's categorized. There's script fonts, display fonts, sans serif fonts. There's so many of them. Graphics, same thing, just absolutely tons. You can go to browse all, 3D projects. They're all categorized. It's a very organized website, really. It's really, really simple to use. They did a really great job with the convenience and the ease. Let's see, there's needlework, the classes, there's quilting, embroidery classes, sewing, Cricut. Big thing is the Cricut classes. Tools, POD, the bundles, and then obviously the subscription button. So that's it. And as you can see, it just popped up right here. That free trial download, 10 free products with a risk-free trial, and you can start that trial right there. I'll link the free trial link in below. That way it's easier for you to access because this little purple box isn't always there. There it is, Creative Fabrica, an amazing resource for literally thousands of graphics, fonts, anything you can think about. It's all right here for you. So go check it out, try out that free trial. If you decide you enjoy it and you want to keep it, also sign up for that subscription. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting.